The Reggae Boyz will close out their group stage of the CONCACAF Nations League on Sunday. Knowing anything but a loss against Haiti will see them securing group honors. The two will meet at the Hazley Crawford Stadium in Trinidad and Tobago at 7 p.m. Jamaica time.
It was anything but easy when the Reggae Boyz and Haiti met in the first fixture. In fact, the Reggae Boyz had to fight back from 2 goals down to earn a draw. Another draw would see the Jamaicans top in the group, but a win is what is needed to drive the camp forward. There have been a number of withdrawals from the squad, but adequate replacements have been called in. Iceland-based defender Richard King and Harbourview midfielder Joshawn Anglin have been recalled. King made his debut for Jamaica in January of last year and has gone on to make 7 appearances for the national team. King last represented Jamaica in June of this year against Jordan. Midfielder Anglin made his debut for Jamaica in 2020 and last played for the country in a friendly international against Trinidad and Tobago earlier this year. Meanwhile, Cavalier captain defender Kyle Ming has earned a first-time call-up to the squad. The 23-year-old Ming led Cavalier to the Jamaica Premier League title in 2021, their first in 40 years.
It's a great feeling to be here. My very first time here. I really appreciate the call-up and looking to do good things. Well, it was a really great experience for me playing with, training with some of the overseas players.
Meanwhile, the Reggae Boyz will be without right-back Tavon Gray, who sustained a hamstring injury in the clash against the Grenadans on Wednesday. Gray has returned to his club for treatment. The Jamaica squad is now in Trinidad and Tobago ahead of the Haiti fixture. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.